Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute is an unequally educational institution with its 80 years history in Central Asia. This institution is one of the most prestigious institutions in Uzbekistan, which educates highly qualified pharmacy specialists not only for Uzbekistan, but also for foreign countries, and gradually following the reforms within the country. Particularly, it is important to mention that the performing activities on the basis of educating highly qualified personnel and improvements on the material technical base of the industry are highly concentrated. Presently, personnel are being educated in the 5 bachelor's and 5 master degrees of the institution. Additionally, there is a faculty which helps to pharmacists for training and skills development at the institution. There are 230 professor-teachers in 18 departments of the institute, including 37 doctors of science and professors, about 100 candidates of science and associate professors. The current scientific potential of the institute is the highest in the Republic, which equals to 58%. In recent years, new bachelor's degree such as Faculty of Industrial Pharmacy, Professional Education, Space Engineering, Clinical Pharmacy, Standardization and Certification of Drugs have been opened at the institute. Currently, all lectures and tutorials are conducted in Uzbek, Russian, and English languages. Also, there are good and convenient conditions for foreign students who would like to study in any faculty in institute. Teaching materials in the field of foreign languages, manuals, audio-video equipment, computerized lingual franchises, information resource center, comfortable bedrooms, canteens, modern sports center, and the open-air areas inside the institute, which help to provide a high standard of education. Scientific laboratories established as the institute are well equipped with modern laboratory equipment and operating on the basis of normative and technical documents according to the international requirements. Over the years, researchers at the institute have been conducted different scientific researches on the production of medicine and medical products. As a result, more than 20 original medical products and 100 new medicines have been recommended to be used in the World Health System. Additionally, it is important to mention that Drug Compliance Standardization Center was established under the Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute. In the testing center, students, masters, researchers, and doctoral candidates have the opportunity to work with modern equipment, measuring instruments, high-quality reagents, and literature would meet the modern requirements. Moreover, a new generation of educational literature was created for the students to obtain modern knowledge at the institute. The fund of teaching materials were expanded, including the acquisition of new foreign literature, and the Information Resource Center funds are being constantly improved. The Chimyon Health Improvement Camp was established in Bustanlik district in Tashkent region for institute students to learn collecting, storing and analyzing different effects of local plant and herbs, which are rich of useful medical substance. In the Modern and Unequal Equipment Research Center for Standardization of Medicine, these herbs are analyzed by the specific pharmacological properties, and normative and technical documentaries are prepared for registration of medicines in Uzbekistan. Fortunately, about 10 medicines have been developed and put into practice. Recently, besides the institute provides direct assistance to research institute and local manufacturers in the field according to the various agreements made with pharmaceutical educational institutions, companies and organizations in Korea, China, India, Germany, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, Bulgaria, Poland and other countries. The institute is cooperating to increase the efficiency of the field. At the same time, the Educational Analytical Center of the institute is widely used in the organization of educational process and scientific research. In order to educate specialists in master degrees program, the institute is cooperating with Ponu Farm Practice and Training Development Corporation in India. The main scientific research activity of the institute is creating new effective medicines based on local medical herbs and synthetic raw materials and their clinic tests. The graduates of the Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute are correctly working not only for our country, but also for many other countries, including international pharmaceutical organizations. This is the main reason for being prestigious institution. Dear young people, would you like to be a successful graduate in the field of pharmaceuticals? Then we invite you to study at the Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute. It would be definitely attractive for you to be educated under the modern requirements and latest conditions. To obtain above mentioned, the institute has created wide conditions for you.